My name is Dahlia. I work with JDI IT as a project manager. Now, I came here as a new person, as a student about 10 years ago, and I didn't know a single person in Canada, or let alone in Saint John. But as I became more involved in the community, I got a lot of exposure, and some of it was eye-opening, and it really helped me to develop as a person, not only to understand the world around me better, but in the process understand myself. And I felt that I wanted to give back, and I got many opportunities to do so. So I involved myself in different areas of interest in all the ways that I could think of that I could give back to the community, and it has been really rewarding. I find the more that I give back, the more satisfaction I get as an individual. So to me, it was less about the award, which is also really nice to get, but it was more about the satisfaction of being able to balance my time between these different community initiatives that I love to do. I think JDI plays a key role. It is a source of employment for many people in the city. And as we see the workforce becoming more diverse, it's also reflected in the workforce that we have here at JDI. Among my colleagues, we see more diversity coming into the team, people from different ethnic backgrounds coming together to work, and we see the differences in how people think and interact with each other. But when tapped properly, it really has a wide potential. It can lead us to take better decisions and make better choices when we can really tap into the strength in this diversity that the team has to offer. And I feel like we're headed in that direction here at JDI.